Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we are going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can add a checklist to your projects on monday.com. So let's get started. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and access your current project inside your workspace in the left panel. So let's assume, for example, guys, you've been working on a couple of items like that one here, like tasks featured in the to-do list, and I would like to go through that list and mark these tasks either as complete or not by using a checklist. This is how you can do it, guys. You can use any list for that here in your project. All you need to do is click on the right hand of the given list and add a new status item or column, in this case here a checklist. So click on that plus icon here to the very right hand side and select checkbox here under super useful, and after that you will be given access to that status item here. Let me just resize it a bit to make it more visible, just like that. So if you click now into the cells below, guys, you'll be given the opportunity to mark these items, for example, as checked or complete or not by left clicking on them. That is the fastest way, guys. You may also customize your checkboxes or checklist by clicking on the three dots here next to the status item title, by heading over to settings, and after that by clicking customize checkbox column here and select, for example, the color, for instance, if you like. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. As you can see, that's how you create a checklist here on Monday. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.